number increases. Atomic number increases. Atomic number increases. Atomic number increases, that means more protons add. More protons add, because proton is equal to atomic number, we know that. Okay, now second thing that come into our mind, electrons are added. Electrons are added to the n minus 1d, 1 to 10 orbitals, you can say. Third point we consider, d electron do not shield the nuclear charge effectively. Nuclear charge effectively. We have studied in class 11 what is the shielding effect. So in that case, if three situations come forward, then therefore the nucleus, the effect of this three most important characteristics give you the result. The nucleus attract the outer electron more strongly. This is the effect, no? Overall effect. So when we move from left to right in a series, transition series, d block element, because we know that S is this side, P is this side, and in between there is a d block elements, and at last there is a f block elements. So when we move from left to right in a series, atomic number increases. Yes, this is increases. Electrons are added. Electrons are added here. And d orbitals, that means d orbitals, electron do not shield the nuclear charge effectively. So therefore the nucleus attract the outer electron more strongly. And what will be the result of this one? What will be the result comes out? Result of this one? Result will come out that atomic radii decreases. Atomic radii decreases gradually. As we move from left to right, atomic radii decreases gradually. I am taking one example here. Example of 3D series. Okay, this is very common example. And in 3D series, we have elements scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So in that case, this is arranged in series. Now the atomic radii increases gradually when we move from left to right in 3D series. I think this is clear to all of you. And radii gradually decreases. Gradually decreases. That means nickel has the smallest size as comparatively to the previous one elements. This is very clear. And if we're talking about the copper and zinc, because these two elements present at the last in the series, copper and zinc, in that case, there is a slight increase. Because why there is a slight increase? That's why I just take these two elements at the last, so that you just explain into step to step points. So what will be the result? The copper